First of all, hello everybody. Good morning, all of you. I am Krishna Kumar Raut, studying in BA final year in MMTM College, Darbhanga. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Farooq Azam sir for giving me such a golden opportunity to express my views on the topic. And the topic is, should the children be allowed to use a smartphone or not? Means cell phone, you can say. Yeah.
Yes.
So first, I would like to tell you what is a smartphone. The smartphone is that we can't ignore it actually nowadays. Most of the parts of the work can be done by the smartphone. The role of a smartphone cannot be denied. The role of a smartphone cannot be denied in the field of studies, in the field of education, in the field of progress, in the field of development, and so on. So there are so many advantages and disadvantages of a smartphone also. Everything has its own positivity as well as its negativity. So it is totally up to you that what you are getting actually. So I would like to tell something more about that. The advantages of a smartphone is that, like if you are I would like to tell you example. Like I will tell you that go and read the Bhagavad Gita. What will you do? You can't read because it is too thick. It is very large and you can't read. But what if I offer you go and watch the Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita and many more, any visualization mode, you directly go and understand easily. That is the thing. So behind every irreticulous things, we are the culprits. Parents are the culprits. We are the responsible for that. So just if you don't want your children be worst in their life, so better you treat them with love, with care, and give them moral values of life. Like I'm telling you, I already mentioned in my previous topic that was should like which family do you prefer, a nuclear family or joint family?
Yes.
So in joint family, the children were nurtured properly. So in nowadays, the children who belong from nuclear family, they feel loneliness. That's why they use mobile phone.
So you mean to say in the joint family, the children get more chances to come in contact of so many members?
Yes, sir. Because
they get proper nurturing in a specific joint family.
Yes, sir.
Comparing to
nuclear
family.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So it is totally up to you that what you are giving to your children, that how you manage. Nowadays, nuclear family means what? Both parents are working. But in joint family,
No, it's not like that. Both parents are working.
yeah, sir, my father and mother both are working nowadays actually in nuclear family most of the time. When you visit metropolitan cities, like father and mother both are working.
It's possible,
Yeah.
I agree, but it does not mean nuclear means both are working.
But since
Still in our
most of the
India,
cases it has seen, sir.
If I
Actually.
ask you what percentage of the female they are working, would you please tell me?
Sir.
What percentage of the female they are? What percentage of female they are working at present in India?
Sir, in nuclear family you are asking.
No, forget that nuclear and joint. What percentage of female?
Sir.
I hope you understand.
Yes, sir, I understand.
Right? What percentage of female they are working?
Sir, whenever the women get chances to prove themselves, they have proved themselves.
So all those who are not working because of that, they have not got the chance.
Sir, I think we are living in 21st century, so we all have that rights. Fundamental rights are there that we can do anything whatever we want. But
irrespective of your
but the mindset of the people are not changing according to time.
Right.
Yeah. So the woman who belongs from rural area actually, they are not getting chance to prove themselves. That's why they are developing their self, like sewing machines, sewing clothes, and many more things. Nowadays you can see, sir, the woman who belongs from rural areas, they are uploading videos for cooking something on. It means that they are updating themselves. Yeah.
Their art is coming out.
Yeah.
They are
So-
making videos,
Yeah.
videos and earning money also.
Yeah.
Vikram.
Yeah. So in the
So what percentage, I asked you, in India, what percentage of the female are working?
sir, 30%.
Now,
20%.
don't less than 20.
No, sir,
Go ahead, check.
20%.
Who said 20% actually?
I should hear. Raise hand whose mother is working. Please raise hand. Whose mother is working? Mother is working, raise hand. 2%.
Yes, sir.
So you are telling should not be.
Question, sir.
Yeah. Let me complete.
Actually, I have not
You
completed
have the
my
questions
topic
to me
actually.
to him. I expect from you all be here some more time. So learning, yeah.
Yes.
Being out and all, it's okay. Some more time we can be here. I want recording of Sunday also and afternoons also. So I will take 10 minutes more. Yes. But let he complete first.
I am watching the huge crowd of girls in our classroom that they are aware and they are coming.
100%.
They are coming. It means that they are updating themselves.
100%.
100% they are updating themselves.
But still, it is not updated. That I mean,
Sir, progress-
that's what, you know,
sir, progress
this is
take
the
time.
of the student whose parents, mother, father is working. You will see the 3 persons are there.
Sir, progress takes some time.
Who will handle that? I am not against her.
Yeah,
Don't take me wrong. I am positive. I also want my children will work. I also want my wife can also work, but she is not working. It's okay. I want she should work, but she is not interested also. Right now, some of you know how many of you have met my wife? Let's say. Okay, Ujala has met. Fine. Anyway, fine. So now can you
Yeah.
do your speech?
So, in the other hand, the role of mobile phone cannot be denied in the field of the education nowadays. In the we have suffered a very pandemic situation on 2020 or 2021 as well as. So, on that time, the mobile
that time.
Yeah, at that time the mobile phones played a very vital role in our life, and every work has been by the mobile phone.
Every work
Was done by the mobile phone. Cell phone. So the role of mobile cannot be denied actually. In the other hand, if you are not interested in mobile phone, that's okay. Just go and nurture your child properly, give them love, try to convince them, give your time actually. You know, time is that thing that we are not giving to our children actually. So that's why they are not they are very aggressive. That become they are very aggressive. Yeah, there are major problems which occurred after using mobile phone for longer time. Some hazards are there, like memory loss, fatigue, a loss of memory, sleepless night, and you can say memory loss, joint pain, and many more. But in the other hand, the benefits of mobiles are also, if you go with the positivity.
Mr. Avinash has given the options of smart television.
Yeah, that's why I am telling sir that if you don't want your children to use the smartphone, directly go kindly with connect your mobile phone with television and show them that whatever is happening in the world by the help of television and all. Don't let them use mobile phone actually. Yeah, it is not good. Yeah, I have completed myself. Did I make myself clear to?
100% you made very clear to all. And anyone has questions, then he can ask. How many you had? You have. How many you had? You have now. So ask.
I heard
I heard.
your all story,
Okay.
speech, but I didn't get it. Didn't clear. Can the children use mobile or not?
Should the student use cell phone or not?
Look, Mr. Okay.
You talked about the nuclear family. I'm thinking after you marriage, you will be.
After you marry, you will have the children.
Yeah, you will do. You will leave your children on at home.
When you leave your children at the home,
At home, you will be. Your mother will be handle.
your mother will handle the
Handle the
children.
children. You and your wife will be working at any companies.
Come to the problem.
You know, nowadays education system has been already developed themselves. Like you have seen on our time when we are studying in our childhood, there was no facilities for kindergarten.
Yeah.
Kindergarten and you can say play school and all. So right now, if we don't have time now, then kindly,
We don't have time.
if we don't have time now, then directly.
No, why no? We don't have time.
Yeah, we don't have time. Okay.
No is no.
No.
As we don't have time.
As we don't have time, kindly send your children to the kindergarten
Yeah,
and play school.
play school,
Because in
pre-nursery.
pre-nursery school, because in pre-nursery schools, the teachers are very kind towards their children. They show their love and affection
Really?
towards their children. They take proper care, proper maintenance and all. So kindly send your children over there.
And in metropolitan cities, there are options for the parents who are working at the home.
In Darbhanga, you can also find lots of kindergarten school like.
You can put them there.
Yeah.
Some fixed amount of that payment you have to make for the same. The children will be proper fed, proper trained, proper taken care. Their dresses and all, 100% will be like the more than family members. And they are charging for that. Good money also. So that's okay. That's fine, Mr. Avinash. Sorry. Krishna,
Yes.
for your speech, you have spoken especially nicely. Can you all clap for Mr. Krishna?